Hello guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the comparison between Pydantic AI and LangGraph to see which agent framework performs better. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their architecture and design. Pydantic AI builds on top of the popular Pydantic validation system, giving you strong type checking and model safety for AI data pipelines. On the other hand, LangGraph is a graph-based orchestration tool for building memory-aware LLM agents, which is designed more for persistent, long-running agents. Number 2, their ease of use. Pydantic AI feels similar to Python developers, and it is great for creating structured input or output pipelines, while LangGraph has a steeper learning curve. But once set up, it provides unmatched control over conversational state and agent memory. Number 3, use cases. You can use Pydantic AI when building reliable, structured agent systems such as LLM APIs or tools with strong validation requirements. And you can choose LangGraph if your focus is on dialogue agents, multi-setup planning, or multi-agent collaboration with memory retention. Number 4, ecosystem and maturity. LangGraph is part of the LangChain ecosystem, which means you will get native compatibility with OpenAI, Anthropic, and vector databases. On the other hand, Pydantic AI is newer in the agent space and still growing in terms of community adoption. So in conclusion, Pydantic AI is the better choice for structured pipelines and API reliability, while LangGraph wins for building intelligent, memory-rich agent applications. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.